Dream of, isn't it?
Yeah, it's a dream come true, and I'm just happy we got the 3 points and now on to Moldova.
What did Chris Coleman say to you as you came on?
He said enjoy yourself and help the team as best you can, and hopefully I did that.
Yeah, just a little bit. Talk us through the strike. So when you picked the ball up,
just came out the air, took it down, and just tried to get my shot off as quick as I could, and luckily it went in.
Something you practice on the training grounds?
Sort of, yeah. Do a few shots at the end of training, so yeah, it paid off.
What was running through your mind as you were sort of warming up, as you were about to come on?
Just try and help the team out as best I can, really. That's all I could have done.
Because the game had reached quite a pivotal point, hadn't it?
Yeah, it was tense near the end. It maybe could have gone either way, but yeah, luckily we pinned.
What did Gareth say to you after that goal?
Just say congratulations. That's about it, really.
How's the experience been with you in the squad? Obviously, at a young age, but have you settled in well? The manager obviously showed a lot of faith in you.
The manager and the players have been great around me, and they've helped me. They've treated me like just one of them. So it's been easy to bond with everyone.
Has that helped? Because you must have been nervous. I know this wasn't your first time with the squad, but when it was your first time before, you must have been nervous arriving.
Yeah, obviously it is nerve-wracking coming into a new squad, but yeah, like I said, the players were welcoming and they helped me to feel at home, really.
Did you have to do any initiation ceremonies or things like that?
Yeah, I did have to do a song.
You had to do a song. What was it?
Stand By Me.
Oh, right.
No, it wasn't great. So.
Can you please tell me how you survived the wild celebrations after you go?
Sorry, what was that?
Can you please tell me how you survived the wild celebrations after you go?
It's just dreamland. It didn't really affect me, really. It was just the dream come true.
Just the start for you, though?
I hope so.
What about the World Cup finals? I mean, that must be a fantastic prospect. Good win for Wales tonight. It's back on, isn't it?
Yeah, well, hopefully we can get qualification. It would be unbelievable to go to the World Cup.
So yeah, you've seen some young players in there make a real name for themselves at the World Cup finals. People could really know your name next time.
Okay, well, that would be the aim, and it will be another dream.
Just wondering from Moldova, mate. You've got Moldova coming up in a big game. Perhaps starting?
I don't know.
Anything you keep as a memory from tonight?
Oh, yeah,
New shirt? Or?
Yeah, I'll keep my shirt. Definitely, keep my shirt.
Are your mum and dad here to watch?
Yeah.
Alright guys, we'll see them.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Cheers, mate. Well done.